Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox redeem codes, providing an easy guide for everyone. These codes offer exciting opportunities to get free Robux or exclusive virtual items for your avatar or games. Understanding the redemption process ensures you can quickly claim your rewards and enhance your Roblox experience. We will cover everything from finding the right page to confirming your new items. It is a simple, quick process. To begin, always use a web browser on your computer or mobile device. The Roblox app itself does not support code redemption. Open your favorite browser, whether it is Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Apple Safari, and type in the official Roblox website address. This ensures you are on the secure and correct platform to prevent any issues with your account or code. Always confirm the URL for your safety. After successfully logging into your Roblox account on the website, you will need to find the dedicated code redemption page. The quickest way is to directly type in the URL, roblox.com/promocodes. This will take you straight to the correct location without needing to navigate through multiple menus. Look for a clear, large box labeled "Enter your code" to confirm you are on the right page, ready for the next step. Now, carefully type or paste your unique redeem code into the text box provided on the redemption page. Codes are case-sensitive and often include a mix of letters and numbers, so pay close attention to ensure accuracy. Avoid any extra spaces before or after the code. Once you are certain the code is entered correctly, click the large green Redeem button. You should see a confirmation message indicating success or an error if something went wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.